Assalamu alaikum. The Pakistan Army Act 1952 was brought into force in 1952. In its original capacity, it is used to put military professionals on trial under the military's own court. In some provision, this law is also applicable to civilians. In its original jurisdiction, the act was meant to punish army personnel and civilians attached in some capacity with the army. In 1966, General Ayub Khan, who was then President of Pakistan, amended this act, and the amendment was made to the act whereby civilians accused of inciting mutiny through written and verbal material could be tried under the act. Civilians accused of sharing official state secrets with the enemy may also be tried to military courts, as well as those civilians who are accused of targeting and attacking military installations. The court under the act is called the Field Journal Court Martial. This military court functions under supervision of Military Legal Directorate, and the judge is called President, who is a serving military officer, and the prosecution counsel is also a military officer. Those who tried in the court are given the right to have lawyer, and in case the convict cannot afford, he can appoint military officer to represent. The convicted person have the right to file an appeal into military army court of appeal in 40 days of conviction. If the convict believe after going before the Army Court of Appeal that he has not received a fair trial or expressed dissatisfaction with the proceeding, the convict can subsequently go to the higher courts. The punishments under the Act can vary from 2 years to a life sentence and even capital punishment depending on severity of offence. While in recent political protest after 9th May, those who are responsible for attacking and damaging public and private property during these protests should be held accountable with due process of law. The government is compiling evidence to present these cases to Army Court under Pakistan Army Act. Now it is the responsibility of the government, and the government will decide after checking the strength of the evidence that these cases could be sent to the army courts or not. And if government decide to send these cases to the army courts, these courts would be established in all over Pakistan, and especially in those areas where these protests are held. Viewers, please don't take law in your hands, and you should always follow and obey the law so that you and your family might not face the challenging situations after accusing of any unlawful act. You may contact me at any time for free legal consultation at my helpline. Please connect with me and watch my videos at my channel.